Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut template not showing new method. So let's get started. So here we are in our smartphone, and remember that you can use this for both Android and iOS. In this case, I am with my iOS smartphone. So from here, what I'm gonna do is go into my App Store, or if you're in Android, go to Play Store. And from here, you need to type in or search for CapCut. Because one thing that you need to do first is that you want to make sure that your CapCut app is at the latest version or is fully updated right here on your Play Store or on your App Store. So once you have made sure that you don't have the update button, instead you only have the open button or play button right here, then you're all good to go. But if you have the update button, please, you need to tap on it to update that, because you won't have the templates if you don't update it. And other thing, if you are in Android, then you can go into your settings, and then you can go and clear the cache and clear the update of that. And then you need to open the CapCut again, and then you should be able to see that it's fixed. But in my case, I'll just go and open my CapCut right here, since I have made sure that it's updated. It's that simple once you're in iOS. And from here, I can already see the templates button right here at the bottom right here. As you can see, I now have the templates, and yeah, that is basically all you have to do in order to fix this. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.